When you look up at the night sky and see millions of sparkling stars, have you ever wondered, where did all of this come from? The universe, with its massive galaxies, planets, stars, and even as humans, how did it begin? The most widely accepted answer in modern science is the Big Bang. So what exactly is the Big Bang? Was it a gigantic explosion in space? How did it happen? And why do scientists believe in it? Imagine the entire universe, all matter, energy, space, and time, packed into a single, incredibly tiny, hot, and dense point. This point is called a singularity. Then, about 13.8 billion years ago, that singularity began to expand extremely rapidly. That expansion event is what we call the Big Bang. This was not an explosion like a bomb or fireworks. Instead, space itself began to expand. There was no center where it exploded from. Every point in the universe expanded simultaneously. The Big Bang is not just a guess, it is supported by multiple strong scientific observations. Here are the three most important pieces of evidence. A. The universe is expanding. In 1929, astronomer Edwin Hubble discovered that galaxies are moving away from us, and the farther they are, the faster they move. This means the universe is expanding, like dots on the surface of an inflating balloon. If it's expanding now, then in the past everything must have been closer together, and if we rewind far enough, it all converges to one point, the Big Bang. B. Cosmic Microwave Background, CMB. In 1965, scientists detected a faint microwave radiation coming from everywhere in the universe. This is the afterglow of the Big Bang, leftover heat from the early universe. It is considered direct evidence of its existence. C. The abundance of light elements. After the Big Bang, the young universe was extremely hot, too hot for atoms to form. As it cooled, hydrogen, helium, and trace amounts of lithium formed in exact ratios that match our observations today. This is strong confirmation that the Big Bang model is correct. A key idea. The Big Bang wasn't just the beginning of space, it was the beginning of time itself. Which means, there was no before the Big Bang. Because before requires time to exist, and time did not exist yet. So the question, what came before the Big Bang, currently has no definite answer within standard cosmology. After expansion began, the universe kept stretching and cooling. Here's a timeline of major milestones. Time after Big Bang. What happened? 0 to 10 cubed to the power of 5 seconds. Rapid inflation. Space expanded faster than light. 1 second subatomic particles, protons, neutrons, electrons, formed. 3 minutes light elements like hydrogen and helium formed. 380.000 years first light emerged. Right pointing arrow formed the CMB. 100 million years first stars ignited. 1 billion years first galaxies formed. 13.8 billion years today, the universe continues to expand, forming complex structures like galaxy clusters, planets, and life. G. Common question. If the universe is expanding, where is it expanding to? Does the universe have an edge? Surprisingly, the universe isn't expanding into anything. What's expanding is space itself. Like the surface of a balloon inflating, all points move apart. But the surface isn't expanding, inside, a bigger 3D space from its own perspective. The universe works similarly, but in 4-dimensional space-time, which is very hard for humans to visualize. Yes, everything we know came from the Big Bang. Space and time, fundamental particles of matter, light, radiation, gravity, stars, planets, galaxies, even you, because the atoms inside your body were formed in stars. And stars exist because of the Big Bang. As astronomer Carl Sagan famously said, "We are a way for the universe to know itself." Today, the universe is expanding faster and faster. And scientists believe this is caused by dark energy, a mysterious force pushing space apart. Depending on how dark energy behaves, the universe could expand forever and slowly freeze into darkness, big freeze. Stop expanding and collapse back in, big crunch. Expand so fast that everything is torn apart, big rip. We don't yet know which will happen, but the evidence today points toward the big freeze, a cold, dark, lifeless ending. Even though it is the best model we have, there are still mysteries. What existed before the Big Bang? Why did the Big Bang happen? Where did the original energy and matter come from? Could there be multiple Big Bangs, creating parallel universes? These questions drive physicists toward new ideas like higher dimensional universes, cyclical, repeating universes, string theory models. Perhaps the Big Bang is only part of a much larger cosmic story. We, humans, are a direct result of the Big Bang. The elements in your body, carbon, oxygen, iron, were created in stars. Those stars formed after the Big Bang. So in a very real sense, you are made of stardust. You are part of the universe. And the universe is part of you. The Big Bang was not just the beginning of space and time. It was the beginning of everything we see and understand today. The first light, the first atoms, the first stars and galaxies, and eventually, us. Even though many mysteries remain, the Big Bang gives us a profound story of our origin. A grand cosmic tale still unfolding every second. And perhaps someday, you, or a future generation, may be the ones to uncover the true secret behind the very first moment of the universe.